Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to run large language models locally on your machines. What do I mean by large language models? You know, things like ChatGPT, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini, or even the latest Deepseek R1. The first thing you'll need to do is go to lmstudio.ai. The links will be in the description. All you have to do is download and install LM Studio. If it's Mac, pick the Mac ones. I mean, sadly, it's not actually available for any Intel MacBooks, but you know, most people have got M series MacBooks anyways. Once you've done that, you can open up LM Studio. Here you've got a few options. You've got your chat UI, you've got developer mode where you can run your large language model to your local network, or you can use it in Python scripts to build apps and run personal projects. This section, self-explanatory, it shows you all the models you've got installed, and Discover is where you can actually search for models and try them out yourself. This Deepseek R1 distill is 7 billion parameters, and a 7 billion parameter model should work on most mid to high-end PCs / MacBooks, I guess. If you don't quite have the spec, you can kind of go down to one of the 3 billion parameter models. Now, I've already got one installed. To install, you can simply just go, click on one and hit download, and there you go. Imagine this, just for 4.68 gigabyte, you can have basically the whole world's knowledge. It's insane. So if the internet ever goes down, you still can technically search for whatever you need, the kind of crisis scenario. Right, so now let's see how you actually use these models that you've downloaded. So you can simply go to the chat screen. You have to load in the model. Let's try Deepseek R1 8 billion parameters. Here you can change the context length, the GPU offload, the amount of CPU thread pool size. I'm not going to go through everything in detail, but it's got kind of like a pop-up window explaining what each feature does. I'm just going to leave everything as default for now. And yeah, let's load into it. Great, see, that didn't take too long. So let's go. Hi. Oh, so these 8 billion parameter models are quite quick, I must say. In some ways, they're even quicker than GPT. Really interesting about Deepseek R1 is it has the ability to have chain of thought, like you'll see now. What's the meaning of life? It's thinking. Kind of cool because you can see the thought process. I always find that quite interesting. It's almost like it kind of gives it more sentience in a way. Yeah, and you can read through it. It gives you a nice little breakdown. It's great, to be honest. Now you know how quick and easy it is to, get LM Studio up and running. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I do plan on making more videos about how you can actually use these large language models in your apps. Like, you can make API calls from Python scripts. During app development, you can then keep the kind of cost low, because instead of making, hundreds and hundreds of calls to OpenAI servers, you can just use a local large language model instead. And then when you actually do want to deploy, you can make a decision on how you want to go about things. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Peace.